Shelby.
Good morning, Bahamas!
She a pretty little bad
Seashells!
She don't care what nobody thinks. She be living her best life. Ain't no divide, no, she don't waste time. And I am Shelby. And I am Shelby. And I am Shelby. Shelby. Welcome to the channel.
Time, you know it's called tag.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now.
Baby, we have to
I find what I gave you what you needed. I know what you like.
She said you see that bulb, yeah, you're too bright. See the yeah, broke up that like a
I
spoon.
feel it coming.
Oh.
Time is of the gas.
Every time when you pass my road, you do me something when it's
I try to please you, but I need some lessons.
Can I get more?
Just touch it on Bobby! Thank you. Her people. Oh, it's time.
I don't know why you're the one.
It's called tag.
Turn me out of my mind.
Plenty, can I get more? Can I get more?
You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you
So, I'm not going to lie, I've been montaging the entire first part of this little trip. However, I just realized that they have this in sour cream. I need batteries for my flash so I can take my pictures. Jason, I got the batteries. Mac and cheese. Probably have it here. This. Thank you. I am in the Bahamas, Harbour Island. Guys, it is it's just so pretty. I just heard the music, so I know I might get copyrighted, but either way, this is just a quick little check-in. It is so nice here. I'm not going to lie, before I came, I was looking and wondering, do I really want to come, or am I really gonna have fun since I'm not going to Nassau, where, you know, Atlantis and Breezes, the resorts and all that jazz. That's where everything is, I guess. And I'm just so happy I came here because one, I'm really never want to hackle up myself. Two, this ticket was booked yesterday. So here I am. I'm happy I came, even though we're not staying for too long. I needed this. Listen, this year has been a a rough year for me, and it's only February. February basically finished, but how can I have such a rough year and we're only 2 months in? Make it make sense. I have not had such a hard time in a very long time, and it makes me appreciate all the other times where I used to complain and there was really nothing much to complain about. But okay, me talk back to now.
Hey Seashells, it's Shelby and you're watching AndImShelby.
Good morning, Bahamas! Going for breakfast. I'm sorry I can't give you all fits. I'm freezing. Oh, huh. Does it walk through? What the hell? Breakfast time. I got a sandwich. Bacon, egg and cheese. This is mine. Today. No. Today.
Another second over. Mother God, you mother bomb.
Yes, Hello. I know I have not actually spoken to you guys, but I'm going to Pink Sand Beach. The rain has finally eased up. I haven't even given you guys a tour of the places or anything of the villa, but anyways, we're gonna do like a light beat. Maybe. Should I? I should. Where's my swimsuit? I have a swimsuit. So I'm contemplating if I should wear this or I should just put on this top with the bikini bottoms, and I think that is what I'm actually going to do. Thing is, this is very see-through and I forgot to bring the bikini. We're under it, so I'm gonna really know how to take a look. I'm gonna put that on, do a very light beat, and so this is the Pink Sands Beach, but I ain't gonna lie, it don't look pink. Them motherfuckers lied. It's pretty though, but it ain't pink. Well, there is a little pink hue on the side. Let me be honest. Wow, it's really big and pretty. Wow, that's pretty. Ah!
One time, run it back once more. Run, everybody move, run. Let me see you move, run. Rock it to the groove, done. Shake it till the moon becomes the sun. Everybody in the club, give me a run. If you ready to move, say it. Yeah. One time for your mindset. Yeah. Well, I'm ready for it. Come, let me show you. You want to groove, I'ma show you how to move. Come, Mr. DJ, so fun, you replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? All the girls on the dance floor wanting some more. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Come, Mr. DJ, so fun, you replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? All the girls on the dance floor wanting some more. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Hey, Mr. Please, Mr. DJ.
Anyways, guys, my picture taking session is over. I think my makeup came out cute for the little beat that I did, and in the pictures, if anything like not really look right, I can always fix it. But our hair is so pretty. Jamaica could never. And when I say Jamaica could never, I'm not saying we're not capable of having nice beaches. We don't know how to take care of anything, because best believe if Jamaica had this beach right now, be a party, be a garbage, be a... Listen, man, it'd be a lot of stuff that... Yeah. And the water is pretty shallow. I went out a good look at distance and I was still... It still didn't even get to my knees yet. So, that's good. And the sand is actually pink, guys. But the thing is, it gets more pink the more you go in the water. And I am scared to bring my camera in the water because you know what happened the last time. I went out the country and brought my camera in water. So I'm going to try my best. I'm going to try my best and see. I'm scared. See, you can see it. You can actually see that it's pink. No, me just wipe off my foot, but it's actually pink, guys. Ah, I'm so happy you guys can see it. And another thing that I found that was really, really pretty while I was actually in the water. Wow, this sun is hitting. Hold on, I need a picture. Yeah, as me I say. I'm gonna put you guys back here. Let me take up my stuff. Actually, me talk to you when we leave.
No.
So many reasons why I want you for you, my love.
DJ Harlow.
Now you want to retire with my love. See all the little good things you do, they make me know.
Seashells.
One seashell.
Distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come closer. I want to take me there. Oh, girl, I want to make you lose. Oh, no, I feel like make you lose. Oh, no. I want to make you lose. Oh, no, girl, I want to make you lose. Oh, no, I feel like make you lose. Pull over, mama, pull over.
Good morning. It is day 3. Day 3. And we're supposed to be going, I think we're going to Nassau today to do what? I don't know. We were supposed to be swimming with the pigs, but I think it's too late for that. We're supposed to also do some jet ski stuff, but it's booked out. So I don't really know what we're doing, but I'm gonna do my makeup because yeah, just gonna put on some sunscreen. No, wait, some moisturizer first. And then my sunscreen. And then just do the same light beat that I did yesterday. Cause that kind of ate. And I work still cause my eyebrows are not done. What to do? I feel like I'm never prepared for my trips. I was not prepared for the Punta Cana trip, like, at all. It just so happens that my nails are still done from Valentine's Day, so I was like, it works. Didn't get to do my lashes. I was supposed to, but my lash tech hit me, so that never really worked out. I don't know how much of this I want to record or I'm going to record. The dad just has to take plain like taxis. And let's do my brows. Honestly guys, I think I'm just going to make this a montage because I want to listen to music. Actually, no, I want to go live. All the enjoyment, I'm sad again. Don't tell my boyfriend, that's not what he's made for. What was I made for? And I don't know how to feel. Why didn't I do my brows before I turned on this camera? Because I know I cannot talk and do my brows at the same time. Not biggie. That's huge actually. But where is my spoolie to do my brows? Well, clearly this is not dry. What's going on? Wait a minute. I am concerned about myself actually. Anyways, bitches. I know this eyebrow is gonna need a lot of help. Concealer, where are you? Reveal yourself. I love how when you wet sponges, they just expand. They just get so huge. Oh my lord, stop it. I don't even know if to put you. Jesus, that's Lord. Okay. Hi. Are you guys hearing? Okay. This is actually, am I getting darker? Huh. everything is just so fast paced. Like somebody will come and say, "Yo, we're ready to go here," and then I don't want nobody to wait for me because there's no other girls, so it's like they don't get that it's gonna take a little minute for me to put on some makeup. But they on live here? But they on live here? Alright. But that's how I put on those. I said they on live. Alright. Kinda looking like for reals, but set this first. Yes, I'm coming back with the air spun. Everybody used to use this, but everybody upgrade, so Laura Mercier and Ray and Tay, and I also used Laura Mercier. I just didn't bring it. I like it better than this actually. This one, I feel like that one is a little bit too white. Just because I don't have any foundation yet, so naturally the doll face I got look a little, not right. It's like Money Long makes song just for Valentine's Day, because the same song when last year or the year before she made, what's that song called that everybody was singing? Oh my god, I could do this for hours and hours and hours. And then this year she gonna make 10. Where have you been? Like she just comes up when it's Valentine's Day. She makes really nice love songs. This is my dollhouse. Boy, we can't do nothing in silence. Nothing in peace. Nothing. I'm going to lock this up. So guys, we found this dollhouse. Super cute. I just took some pictures here and just look at it. Just look at all of this. It's so cute. So let's just ask you if you could do that. That's it. That's all. Guys, 6:38. I don't even have time to sit down and talk to y'all. We got to go. Take my life, I just go. I'm out. Chariot awaits. So we're just waiting to board. We board at 12:55 and it is now 12:08. I want to buy a souvenir because me can't go through all of that trouble, all of that rain, all of that tea. I need something to remember this. Yes, I'm in the same thing because, as I said, I didn't bring that many clothes, and this is the only sweater I brought. So, same thing I wear come is the same thing I wear go back. What to do? What to do? Where is where? But souvenir.
That's right. She that 10-10 vibe.